how did Steven Moffat nearly change the course of Doctor Who's 50th anniversary special? As Doctor Who fans, we often marvel at the intricate web that binds the show's creators together through time and space, and this curiosity extends to the fascinating what if scenarios um, that we ponder. Just imagine, if you will, a Doctor Who without the Doctor. Um, Quite an audacious idea, isn't it? In the Day of the Doctor, the 50th anniversary special, three actors portrayed the Doctor, yet the original pitch by Moffat intended to make Jenna Coleman's character, Clara Oswald, the central figure. Remarkable companions like Clara leave an indelible mark on the show, and she is no exception. Known as the Impossible Girl, Clara became deeply entwined in the Doctor's timeline, earning a place among the most significant figures in Doctor Who lore. The introduction of John Hurt's War Doctor was a masterful move by Steven Moffat, adding depth to numerous Gallifrey destruction events and other plot twists that have been interpertinity to the series. However, had Moffat's initial concept been implemented, the story would have unfolded quite differently in Man. Instead of the Doctor taking center stage, he would have been more of a ghostly presence in the narrative. In 2018, Moffat spoke to Digital Spy about creating the Day of the Doctor and mentioned that they had to introduce the War Doctor because Christopher Eccleston wouldn't reprise his role as Nine. John Hurt stepped into a crucial role in Moffat's nearly finished script. But before writing his multi-Doctor story, Moffat faced to the challenge of having no actors signed on as the Doctor, and this seemed to be as he prepared for the possibility of not having a recognizable Time Lord character. Moffat came up with an intriguing yet unconventional solution. Moffat's proposal focused on the concept that the Doctor had vanished from space and time since Coleman was the only cast member contractually bound to appear in the special. Despite this limitation, Moffat's pitch demonstrated a readiness to handle an unfavorable situation, as Matt Smith's tenure as the 11th Doctor was nearing its end. It was feasible that he would only reprise his role for a farewell episode on Christmas Day. When Kristen, late 2013, when fortunately, not only did Moffat manage to secure his current Doctor actor, but he also brought David Tennant back to play the 10th Doctor, and even Tom Baker as the 4th Doctor. What would have our beloved Doctor looked like if Steven Moffat's idea had been actualized? It's more productive to consider how drastically the franchise's continuity would have been affected. Moffat's proposal to have the Doctor played by a succession of highly renowned individuals suggests that the iconic main character would have been portrayed by several new actors, not of whom had previously played the Doctor. So Moffat's proposal for the 2013 special might have preceded Jodie Whittaker as the first female Doctor. Instead of wondering who Steven Moffat might have chosen to play the multiple versions of the Doctor, we should consider how the franchise would have been altered. Moffat's alternate plan wouldn't have differed much from a past Doctor Who tale, he had penned uh, uh, the 1999 comedy sketch titled The Curse of Fatal Death, featured Rowan Atkinson as the Doctor. In this story, a chain of fatal blunders led to multiple regenerations, with famous British TV and film stars like Richard E. Grant and Hugh Grant portraying the Doctor at different stages. Even Joanna Lumley had a brief stint as the Doctor. Um, Doctor Who's 50th anniversary special and Moffat's idea, later revisited in season 14. Interestingly, in a surprising twist, Doctor Who season 14 sort of revisited Moffat's idea with Nkutigatwa's 15th Doctor. In 73 yards, 15 vanishes, and Millie Gibson takes center stage as Ruby Sunday, embarking on a quest to locate the mysterious Time Lord. As a viewer, it's thrilling to see Moffat's unique and captivating idea sparking a similar storyline. In conclusion, let's appreciate the complexities and intriguing twists that stories such as Moffat's initial concept for the Day of the Doctor have brought to Doctor Who. And while the Doctor may nearly disappear from space and time, the show's undying fan base and creative spirit ensure that the character never truly vanished. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.